Meet Michael. He's the head of global tech, strategy, and innovation at a large financial services organization. He's got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. He needs to modernize how data is collected, protect sensitive customer information, keep payments secure, and simplify the process. FormAssembly offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how FormAssembly can help a financial services organization like Michael solve those challenges. Michael won't have to worry about using error-prone manual processes. FormAssembly's drag-and-drop builder modernizes how data is collected by replacing outdated paper forms with customizable digital forms. It's easy to configure specific processes. Using Workflow, Michael's team can determine follow-up steps for applicants, such as redirection, notification emails, or e-signature, which will help Michael's team save time when they're onboarding accounts. The data that's captured can be auto-populated into Salesforce with a powerful integration, reducing administrative burden on his team. Michael's company has strict information security policies about how data is stored. With FormAssembly, he'll get GLBA-compliant data handling processes and encryption to protect his customers' sensitive information. He can securely process financial requests. Plus, it's easy to purge sensitive data and control data retention. When it comes time to make payments, Michael's customers won't have to worry about whether or not his platform is secure. A multitude of robust connectors make it easy to collect payment. And FormAssembly is PCI DSS Level 1 certified. Michael also needs to reduce form fatigue for his customers. FormAssembly includes features such as conditional fields, dynamic pick lists, and attachments, offering personalized experiences for customers and a simple way to submit their sensitive data without delay. With no-code customizations, a visual workflow builder, and powerful integrations to the technology they already rely on, Michael's team can collect the financial data they need in one streamlined process. Michael is convinced that FormAssembly is the right fit to help his company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart, Michael. Very smart. Check out FormAssembly on AppExchange to learn more.